everybody. Thank you so much for joining us on Hello Crafty Kids. Today we have a super sweet treat for you.
Today we're making lemonade. Hoy vamos a hacer limonada.
To create our lemonade, we're going to be using 5 cups of cold water and 1 cup of warm water.
We're going to use some fresh lemons from my Uncle Steve's lemon tree. And we're also using 1 cup of sugar.
And that is super sweet, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what's going to give it
so
the
sweet.
And we're going to be using a bunch of different kitchen tools, and we're going to show you how to use them. So we want the juiciest, sweetest lemonade ever. And we've got a tip on how we can get the most amount of juice out of our lemons. What are we going to do, Delilah?
We're going to roll them down like this to get the juice all riled up and ready for the squeezing.
Ooh, I like that. Get the juice riled up, right?
Yeah. like how you wake up in the morning, you need to exercise to wake yourself up.
Ah, it's like we're exercising the little juicy bits inside of the lemons.
Yeah.
All right, so
it works.
Can you give them?
Watch this.
You're jumping ahead. Don't get lemon in your eye. All right, let's roll these lemons up. So I've gone ahead and I've pre-cut all of our lemons. Now, if you're doing this at home, guys, you're going to need a parent's help or a grown-up's help to get your lemons cut in half. We just cut them straight up in half. And we are looking to get 1 cup of lemon juice out of all of these lemons. So now we're going to use a couple of different tools. Can we hold up our tools, guys?
I'm using this one. I'm using this lemon squeezer.
Very cool. So we've got 2 different kinds. And this one is very cool because you just open it up and you put your lemon in it, just like so. And then we're going to put it right over our measuring. Delilah, can you do the squeezing?
Sure. So you might get a little pinch on you. So what you're gonna do is mostly, you just squeeze it down like that to get all the juice out. Squeeze it hard because you want every single drop of that lemon juice out. And then look how smushed that lemon is.
Very smushed. You got all that juice. These are very, very juicy lemons. We got a lucky batch today.
Can I do mine?
Yeah, okay.
That's why you must roll them. Because if you don't roll the lemons, then it's super hard to get the juice out. So you're gonna need to roll them.
And now we've got another kind of lemon juicer. And this is just a little handheld one where you're gonna roll it around like that. And don't worry if you see all those seeds in there. We're gonna strain those seeds out. Looking good.
Hand is all juiced up.
All right.
And my squeezer is all juiced up.
So we'll just take that one out, put another one in.
I'll keep going. We're gonna be squeezing the last lemon and I'm gonna be squeezing that one.
All right, we got about 1 cup there.
1 cup.
Now we are ready to strain out all of the extra pulp and our seeds. And to do that, we're going to use a little strainer just like this.
I'm gonna strain our lemon juice into 5 cups of cold water.
Perfect. And you can see that our strainer caught all of those seeds because we don't want a seedy lemonade, do we?
No.
Who wants to eat seeds? Not me.
I don't like seeds. Hi everybody. My mom microwaved 1 cup of warm water and then we're going to be putting in some sugar. I'm stirring this until all the sugar is dissolved. Our next step in our limonada is to pour our sugar water into our lemon water.
And now we're ready to chill this in the fridge and have a nice, yummy, delicious lemonade!
Yay!
All right, girls, here's taste test time.
Delicious.
Excellent.
To die for.
Guys, thank you so much for joining us today on Hello Crafty Kids. Remember, if you're using anything that involves a knife, like when we were cutting the lemons, make sure you get a grown-up's help. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next week with another fun video. Bye, guys.
Bye.